In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI meeting notes in Notion. By the end, you'll be able to capture meetings effortlessly, get instant summaries, and keep everything organized right inside your workspace. First, a quick setup note. Recording requires the Notion desktop app, version 4.7.0 or later, and you'll need a Notion Business or Enterprise plan to use AI meeting notes. Before you begin, make sure the app is up to date and that your microphone permissions are enabled on your computer. A quick test recording can help confirm that your audio is coming through clearly. When you are ready to start a meeting, open any page in Notion and type /meet to insert the AI meeting notes block. You'll see the option to start recording. Click it when your meeting begins. You can keep the page open in a split view or full screen, whatever helps you stay focused. If you don't see the recording option, double-check your app version and plan. During the meeting, the AI captures audio in real time. And you can take manual notes at the same time on the very same page. Think of it as a collaborative canvas. Jot down agenda items, tag follow-ups, and note who owns what while the AI handles the heavy lifting of transcription and context. It's helpful to type clear phrases like decision, deadline, or action, so the AI has strong signals for what matters most. After the meeting ends, the AI automatically generates a summary, key points, and action items, and saves them directly into the page you were using. This means you'll have a clean overview for quick review, plus the granular details if you need to dive deeper. Take a moment to scan the action items, assign owners, and edit any wording for clarity. Everything stays in one place, making it easy to share with your team and to search later. For seamless scheduling, connect AI meeting notes to Notion Calendar, so your notes auto-attach to your meetings. This creates a reliable link between your events and their notes, reducing the chance of losing context or duplicating pages. It's especially helpful for back-to-back calls where organization matters most. For recurring team meetings, add the AI meeting notes block to a database template. Set it up once, and every new meeting page created from that template will be ready to record and summarize out of the box. This keeps your structure consistent and helps teams adopt the same workflow across projects. That's it. Thanks for watching.